This is everything you need to know for geometry, part 9. So we're talking about the midpoint formula today. And basically the midpoint formula just tells us how to find exactly halfway between 2 points on a coordinate grid, okay? So there will be times on a graph where you don't really need to use the formula. You could just count. But with a lot of situations like this, you can't really count halfway in between because you're going to end up with a decimal. And so we need a way to be exact. So the way we do that is with the formula x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and then comma, and then our y value would be y1 plus y2 divided by 2. And so that gives us our x value and our y value for the midpoint between 2 points. So for our example, we have points A, which is 512, and point B, which is negative 4, 8, and I have those graphed on here already. And so we want to find halfway between those 2 points, which is somewhere around there, okay? So to find the midpoint, I'm going to go ahead and label x1, y1, and then x2, y2, and we're just going to plug in our numbers to the midpoint formula. So x1 plus x2 is 5 plus x2 is negative 4 divided by 2. So that's going to be our x value. We're going to put comma. And then y1 plus y2 is 12 plus 8. So 12 plus 8 divided by 2. That would be our y value. And now we just have to do the math for both sides. Okay, so for our x value, we have 5 plus negative 4, which is positive 1. And then we're still dividing by 2. And then comma. 12 plus 8 is 20, divided by 2 is 10, okay? So we have 1/2 as our x value, or 0.5, and we have 10 as our y value, and so that would be somewhere around right there. And so we're just going to say our answer is 1/2, comma, 10, and that would be our midpoint. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want to see more like this, go ahead and follow this account, like this video, and leave a comment. That way my videos show up in your For You page later on. We'll see you next time.